All right, we got the tongue and groove, even though I'm gonna need a lot more. Homestead Weekly. I think we're on episode 3 now of the Off-Grid Adventures, and I'm over here at Menards. My friends are in town helping me build this. We just got some more tongue and groove, and I sent my friend back in to get more panels because my truck is looking like it's gonna haul it just fine, so we're gonna load up more. Yeah, I'm excited. We're gonna be building all night because it's a long drive back home, and then we'll probably just be building through the night, honestly. And I'll be filming the whole thing probably, and really excited to get a jump on this, like get ahead of it, because as you can see, it's not winter yet, but it's coming, and I don't want to be snowed in while I'm building and everything. So yeah, let the fun begin. So got Jay over here pumping, getting our water pumped in for showering later. Just got back from Menards, and it's dark. It's dark. And there's our water coming in through the filter from the well. And that is going to be our shower water. With this thing full, I can shower with it for like five or 6 days with this much water. So it's pretty cool. So it was a very productive weekend working on the cabin. Didn't get what we wanted done, but got enough to be satisfied. And the snow is here. So today is basically firewood day. So I have to clear the driveway first, so we're gonna get the snowblower going for the first time. This is the first snow. So let's start working on snow survival right now. A lot of snow. Sweet. Very sweet. Let's see if we can't get her going. All right. Anyways, it looks like I got some trails dug out now in most of the driveway. And now we gotta do wood. And the wood is back there. So I just gotta go back there, and the dogs are liking it. So I just gotta go back there and cut the rest of it and bring it up. Let's go. What is it, guys? Go get it. What is it? Crazy guys. 8 and 9. Right there. this one. Maybe we can cut this all up too. Well, I'm back in the house, just warming up. My hands are freezing. I got a nice little pile going for tonight. You can kind of see the progress we did on the cabin. Got most of the ceiling done, this wall behind me done. It's coming along. It's definitely been a process. Of course, as soon as I go inside, the sun comes out and it stops like blizzarding on me. Hilarious. I'm having an issue though on my front porch. When I have my wood stacked up there, the snow still drives right into the porch. So what I'm thinking about doing is I have some scrap sheets of metal that were here when I got the place, and I'm just gonna drag those over and just put them up against the wall and the post out there, and I'll show you guys that here shortly. It probably is gonna, this video is gonna carry into the next day, because there's just so much firewood to do. If I want to get ahead of it, that I'm just gonna have to do like a episode 3 is gonna be firewood. But I'm gonna wall in the porch a little bit, as much as I can, and that will give me the opportunity to like block some of that snow from coming in, because it's just like, it's annoying going out there in my flip-flops and it's all snowy and the wood's all wet and stuff, and when I carry it in, you know, it's just making me all wet. I'm like in my sweatpants, you know. But all right, I'm pretty warm. It's hard because my gloves are wet right now. They're just soaked. So we're gonna go out there, we're gonna clean off the porch, and we're gonna stack up this wood so we can just get, now the sun is, look at this beautiful sun coming in, look at that back there, that sun. But we're gonna go out there and get this wood stacked up, and then we'll bring over our metal sheets, and we'll see if we can't make a little barrier. That's a nice little base with these bigger ones. Okay. There's a base going here. When I bring them over, they don't just want to fly everywhere. Okay, this makes more sense to do it this way. Here we go. There. Now we got something to do. I'll put these nicer ones in the middle. Put the bigger ones down here. And we'll see about blocking this in today. We'll see right now.